Hi everyone, today we're making this fun, easy Santa wood art that is just fantastic and it'll get you in the spirit for Christmas. Hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel we like to show you woodworking projects that you can make on nights and weekends to make a bit of extra money for your family. We'd like to show you high profit projects, mostly made with scrap, that have sold really well for us so you can make them too. So as always, we begin by printing out our pattern and gluing it down on our wood. Today I'm using a little bit of MDF as well for the thinnest part, and the patterns are available on our Etsy store if that's something you're interested in. I'll leave the link in the description below. So we begin by cutting out all the pieces on the scroll saw. This is a really simple project with only a few pieces, so we'll get those cut out and then we'll be able to move on to do a little bit of painting. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We love to hear from you. And if you're interested in wood art, please check out our website, ideas2ididit.com. We go into a lot more depth with our techniques and our processes on how we're able to make these different wood art projects with a nice high profit margin that sell really well for us. And if you sign up for our newsletter on our website, ideas2ididit.com, we will send you a free wood art project so you can give it a try. Okay, so once we get it cut out, we'll do a light sand, and then you can see here I painted the top of the hat red, and that was it. My wood was really blonde and it already had a white hue, and I loved the green, so all I did was clear coat it for protection, and then we just have to glue a few pieces together. I'm going to glue the hat trim up on the hat, the red hat piece, and the mustache on the beard, and then I painted a black background and glued all the pieces on that. And it makes a really great Santa. It's got a real punch to it and it looks amazing. This is a great project to try for a beginner because it's quite simple. And this is also a great project to sell because it's so simple, but very impactful. It's easy to make, it's quick to make. Really hope you give it a try. And this also looks fantastic on different colored backgrounds. If you wanted to play around with that, it would look really good on a dark green background or even any color that you liked. And this is just a quick video today, and we really hope you enjoy it. And Chris and I truly want you to know how much we appreciate you spending your time with us and you showing your support for the channel. It's meant the world to us, and we wish you and your family the merriest of Christmas. We hope you have a fantastic holiday with all the ones that you love. Thanks so much again, and we hope you have a fantastic day.